Hi, welcome to my DIY Robot YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you 5 ways to make your RC tank tracks, RC rover, RC robot, RC tank metallic tracks. The first way, which I have used in my homemade RC tank design, which I have illustrated in the video in the description below. So stay tuned and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Let's go to the drawings board to show these ways. Thank you. Hi everybody again. Welcome to my DIY YouTube channel. Actually, I've made these drawings to show you my second design of a homemade tracks for your RC tank or RC robot or RC rover project. Here is a piece of a metallic plate with thickness of 1 millimeter or higher, such like 2 or 3 millimeter, but that would be more difficult to deal with. Anyway, 1 millimeter plate of tin plate or another source. You have to cut it to make this shape. The dimensions belong to you, as they depend on the size of your RC rover project. You will see these two notches, this one and this one. They would form as a guide for the wheels of your robot or tank. This one and this the opposite one. Okay. The piece of plate would have a hole, this longitudinal hole. You make it by strike this area by a sharp tool like a punch or a sharp screwdriver to form a rectangular hole. This hole would contain the ring plate to engage with the other plate. This area, which is width about 1 centimeter, and this area width would be about 3 centimeter. As I have mentioned before, the dimensions is belong to you and your design. The 3 centimeter width area, this one, would be folded like this by a pliers or another tool to form this shape. You need to put a bolt or a rivet in these 2 holes just to close it and fix it to form this piece of the track. And finally, you would have this chain of a metallic track. After that, you would bend the 2 notches, this one and this one, in a right angle. The notches have two functions. The first one, as we see here, the first one is to make a guide for the wheel, as you see here, and the second is to form teeth to drive the truck by the driver gear. The driver gear, as we see here, this one is a conventional spar gear. The distances between each two teeth is the same as the distances between the track teeth or the track notches. You can get this by using mathematics, by measuring the circumference of the gear and divide it to the number of the teeth. Then you will have you can calculate the distances between each two adjacent plates of track by calculating the circumference of the driver gear. This one. The circumference of the driver gear. Firstly, before you design the track, you have to choose your driver gear with the number of teeth. Then you can take the data of the gear, the number of teeth and the diameter and the circumference to calculate the distances and the number of the notches, the distances between each two adjacent notches of the track and the number of the notches, like this. Let's use the calculator. If we have a diameter of the driver gear is 5 centimeter, cross 3.14, the circumference of the gear would be 15 centimeter point 7. 15 centimeter point 7. If you have 8 teeth in your driver gear, then you should divide the circumference on the number of the teeth, which is 8. You will get the distance between each two adjacent notches, which in this case would be 1.962 centimeter. That's equal to 2 centimeter. These are the mathematics or the laws you can use. Finally, you will have this beautiful design for your RC tank or RC rover or RC robot truck. Thank you and stay tuned for my next designs and videos. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.